for this trip, I stayed at the Taj Hotel. Okay, so for this trip, I stayed at the Taj, and this is what it looks like. From the outside, it doesn't look like much, but let's go inside and see. Before I even go on, they have this concierge service basically where they have vehicles that can drop you off outside of the shuttle service. They have vehicles that can drop you off and pick you up, complimentary, but you just reserve before. And they use pretty high-end vehicles, so they have a Range Rover, which is what you're seeing here, and there's also a Jaguar that is not here at the moment. So anyway, let's go inside. Let me show you what the inside of the hotel looks like. All right. And then immediately here you have a concierge desk. This is where you book the shuttle and the complimentary vehicles, and they can also do tours and all of that for you. Alright, so what the welcome lobby looks like. Beautiful chandelier. And to my right, you have the reception desk. Okay, straight ahead from the welcome area and the reception area, you head to the elevators.
Sorry.
Just open it quickly. Hello.
Where we headed to? I think I woke up when I got back. So I'm not sure if it's.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hi.
Alright, so I'm in, I don't even know where I'm going. Wrong direction. So I'm in room 803. So it's key access to the room. Okay, so you enter in the room, and to your immediate left is a double panel closet. You have quite a good amount of closet space. And to the right, you have the bathroom. Now, they have open spacing, so the room feels very light. But you can close the bathroom door. The panel looks like this. All right. You slide to open. Now here you have a towel over here. And these are your floor towels, and here's a towel right there. Alright, so you have a makeup mirror here, and then you have a half mirror here. The place is well lit, so you have lots of light to do your makeup. And then there is the sink area right here. And they also have underneath here, they have a digital scale and a bin. Okay. Moving over, there's also a towel rack here and a toilet. Phone in case there's an emergency, and then you have the shower here. You have, it's not a waterfall shower head, but it's an, you know, an overhead shower head here. And then you have a space for your shower gel. And they give you complimentary shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. And then here you have your wall shower, just in case you'd prefer to use that. The floor is like a granite. The floor and the wall has a granite finish. It's very clean, very contemporary, very chic. They also provide you with robes. Alright, so I keep on mentioning they have a glass theme, so you can see straight from the room into the bathroom and straight from the bathroom into the room. Alright, so this is the view of my bedroom from the bathroom. So you come out of the bathroom, then here you have a table. You can either put your bags on it or, you know, and there's a space here for shoes underneath. I had so many things that I had to iron, so I got an ironing board and an iron. Here you have a counter. Now again, the top is also granite, and inside, well, there isn't anything in here, but you have space for cutlery. It has a very dark finish, so let me just draw back so you can see. All right, now in here you have your mini fridge, and you also have shelves with your different glasses. You have your wine glasses, you have toasters, you have, gosh, so hard to see here. You have an ice bucket. Okay, goblets. In the middle, you have your mini fridge. Right here, you have a desk. So if you want to do your editing, if you have business that you need to take care of, phone calls that you need to make, letters to write, then you can do this at this desk. Here, there's also a mini table. So if you choose to sit here and eat, that's available to you. A very comfortable chair, and they've provided fruits for you as well. All right, you have 2 nightstands, and each has a night lamp. And then this is your bed. Very, very comfortable. There's also a footstool at the end. The bed is very comfortable. It looks like a queen, possibly could be a king size bed. Art decor, beautiful drapes, and light out, so the light in the morning doesn't affect you. There's also a television. They have DSTV, so there are quite a few channels for you to choose from. So guys, so that's the room tour. The hotel was a bit on the pricey side, but then you do get what you pay for, and I really have no complaints. And then this is the view into the bathroom from the bedroom. So guys, that's it for the Taj Hotel. Well, tomorrow I think I'll do some footage for the breakfast buffet. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'll do that tomorrow.